Welcome to this tutorial video on integrating CADMATIC Electrical with CADMATIC Outfitting software. In this demonstration, we start with an electrical arrangement drawing of a ship deck. The drawing includes various components such as lights, panels, loudspeakers, and heaters. Each component is defined with three-dimensional location data and associated object information, including parametric 2D symbols, 3D models, and metadata, all managed through the product model functionality. These product model templates are also visible in the project tree, along with quantity details, making it easy to locate objects within the drawing and manage them effectively. To access detailed information about these components, you can use the Additional Information tab, which displays all the input provided by the electrical designer. The next step involves transferring the electrical components into a 3D model within CADMATIC Outfitting. This is done by exporting the data to a shared database. Once in the outfitting environment, the assembly is imported, and the electrical system is selected from the dialog box. The system automatically lists all components marked for export and places them in their correct positions within the 3D model. Each object retains its associated metadata, ensuring a fully object-oriented workflow. In cases where conflicts occur, such as collisions between objects or misaligned placements in the 3D model, adjustments can be made quickly and easily. For example, relocating components in the 3D environment immediately updates their positions relative to the original plan. After making the necessary modifications, the changes can be saved back to the shared database. This synchronization allows for comparisons between the updated model and the initial design, highlighting any differences for further review and ensuring that updates are carefully tracked. A separate record of changes can also be generated, providing valuable documentation for project management and compliance purposes. One of the strengths of the CADMATIC Electrical solution is its parametric functionality. For example, adjusting the length of a lighting fixture automatically updates both the 2D symbol and the 3D model for all identical objects throughout the project. This ensures that design changes are applied seamlessly, reducing the risk of errors and saving time. Additionally, CADMATIC Electrical supports the import of luminaire placement data from third-party tools like Dilux EVO. This enables the integration of advanced lighting design calculations into the project, adding further value by ensuring optimal placement and performance of lighting fixtures. As updates and new components are added, they can be inserted into CADMATIC Outfitting with ease. The system ensures that all new data, as well as modifications to existing objects, are reflected accurately in the shared database. Synchronization between the tools ensures consistency, streamlining design, validation, and implementation. By enabling efficient collaboration and seamless data flow, the integration of CADMATIC Electrical and Outfitting software reduces errors, improves project quality, and saves significant time and effort. Thank you for watching this tutorial on integrating CADMATIC Electrical and Outfitting software.